There's always be problems in our life, not the same ones, but there will always be one. And no matter how rich you get, how old you get, there will always be problems. And it's funny क्योंकि जब हम छोटे थे, I still remember I used to think that कि एक बार school निकल जाए, then we will have no problem. एक बार college and then we get a job, then no problem. Then we settle down, then no problem. But I realized that it's not true because no matter at what stage you are in your life, there will always be problems because every solution to a problem is an indication of arrival of a new problem and you can't get away from that. And there's always a problem lined up and it's funny that जब हम छोटे होते हैं हमारी problems कितनी छोटी होती है, like उस वक्त हमें अपनी problems बहुत बड़ी लगती हैं, but अब हम जब उन problems को देखते हैं it looks so tiny, so minute that जब छोटे थे हमारी problems हुआ करती थी like TV देखना है, show miss हो गया, homework करना है, seat partner के साथ लड़ाई हो गई या फिर project complete नहीं हुआ. But as we grow up, problems also get bigger and there are some problems that keep repeating until we learn the lesson, but the intensity gets bigger and bigger with every problem. And when a problem arises we think कि अब नहीं होगा, that's it, इसके बाद भाई कुछ नहीं होगा. But that once that problem solves and the another bigger one comes and we think okay now कुछ तो करना है, let it be, let's see what happens. We focus and we try hard to solve it and we solve it and then we go to the bigger one and it keeps happening in our life. And this cycle is never going to stop no matter what you do, no matter what you think you are, how intelligent you are, it is never going to stop. And as a result of that problem, when we are unable to solve it or when we are struggling, we get frustrated, we get sad, we get depressed, and we start staying alone, we get isolated, we stop talking to people, and we get in a shell, and it's tough to get out of there. And the reason I'm making this video is that I get stressed over my problems a lot and people also do the same. But I want you to remember that problems will always be there, problems will never going to end. And let me make you understand this with a simple example. And when you see others people having the same things or enjoying the same things you have problems with, remember that maybe they don't have that problem but they must have been going through with different problems or they must be struggling with something else. So do not put pressure on yourself or do not feel sad because problems is always there in everyone's lives. You are not alone, you are not the only person who is struggling, who is feeling low. So don't go hard on yourself. Have some sympathy for yourself. Love yourself more. So let me give you an example that made me realize that it's good to have problems. It's not bad at all. And I remind myself when I feel low. And there are people around me or there are my friends that think that once I get a job, once I get married, after this, after that, I will be satisfied. I will be like this, my life will be settled, blah blah blah. But you are all wrong. So let me give you an example. So for example, there is one guy who is jobless and there's another one who is doing a job and earning money. So the jobless guy's problems are no career, unemployment, no money, no success, nothing in life, staying at home, etc. etc. And the other one has problems like jaldi utna hai, family se dur, work pressure, financial pressure, uh, pressure to do better in life, to earn more money, to buy a house, to buy a car. And this third guy who is married, who is earning good money, who has different sort of problems related to marriage, related to career, related to family planning or responsibilities coming his way more and more. So this person wants to be that person. Once he gets a job, all those problems he used to have, he won't have that anymore. And all the problems that the person with job has, he will start having all those problems. And that person, once he get married, he will be getting different kinds of problems. So problems will always be there, and you will be growing in life, getting better, getting more problems, getting good amount of problems, but it will never end. You will have to face problems, and remove the thought of having zero problems in your life, because that is never going to happen. And stop comparing yourself with others on social media, because maybe their life looks good on social media, but they are never going to share their problems there. And you never know what someone is going through or what someone is struggling with. So stop comparing yourself and have empathy, because you never know what someone is struggling with. And also stop crying about your problems. Instead, try to solve it as soon as it arrives, because the next one is aligned for you, because problems are inevitable and you can't run away from them. And after listening to all this, do not pray to have less problems. Instead, pray to have the ability to face it all, because let's be real, a good life or an interesting life is not when you have zero problems, but it is when you have the ability to tackle it all strongly and happily. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. And tell me in the comment section what are your views on this topic, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.